In New Zealand, agriculture is the largest source of greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to 46.1% of New Zealand's overall emissions in 2012. Is this sustainable? 66% of agricultural emissions is methane and 34% nitrous oxide. Methane is 25 to 100 times more destructive than CO2 on a 20-year timeframe, whilst nitrous oxide is 300 times more destructive. As Kiwis, we are fortunate enough to have 425,000 kilometres of fresh running water. However, according to the Water Footprint Network Study 2012, it requires 1,000 gallons of water to create 1 gallon of milk. This can't be worth it. Studies conducted by NIWA, regional councils and multiple private scientists have proven that our waterways are becoming severely polluted. For example, Waikato Regional Council has concluded that 50% of its rivers are unsafe to swim in, increasing to 70 to 80% in lowland areas. Pollutants such as nitrogen and phosphorus from urine, feces and fertilisers run off into our freshwater sources, decreasing the safety and quality of the water. Stop movement and land clearing allows sediment to run off into streams and rivers more easily, while fecal matter in the water creates significant health risks such as salmonella, leptospirosis and dysentery. In New Zealand, we have 9.9 million cows to only 4.1 million people. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency's 2004 study, a farm with 2,500 dairy cows produces the same amount of waste as a city of 411,000 people. The impacts our dairy industry has on the environment extends beyond New Zealand's shores. Indonesia is burning and currently producing more CO2 than the US economy. This land is deliberately being cleared for palm oil plantations. So far, 5 million hectares has been cleared, significantly reducing the biomass of the area, and adding to the damage, methane is released from palm oil mill effluent. New Zealand currently imports 1.4 million tonnes of palm kernel extract to feed dairy cows. Palm kernel extract is taken from palm oil plantation in Indonesia and Malaysia and shipped to New Zealand. The dairy industry is supporting the reckless destruction of virgin rainforests and its inhabitants, polluting our beautiful waterways and environments, putting major strain on the availability of fresh water. You have more power over these environmental catastrophes than you think. There are milk alternatives such as regular soy milk, which contains more calcium than standard blue top milk, without the hormones or the environmental impacts. Let's all vote today and every day for a cleaner, greener, healthier New Zealand and world.